Well, my name is Mo Tolentino, and I'm the owner of Homestyle Hawaiian. And basically, some of what we do here is we cook island-style cuisine, cook all different array of foods. I just wanted to make a point and have a place so that people could refer back to the islands and say, yeah, I remember I got this there. So we do various dishes like North Shore style garlic shrimp scampi, local mocos, terry chicken, terry beef, kalbi ribs, Korean chicken, which is one of probably our most popular dish. So 8 years ago I started this business. I actually went to Maui and just to specifically learn island style cuisine. I worked under the Kitchen Cafe over there. My mentor was Les Tamita, and then he taught me pretty much everything, and I just kind of broke off from that and eventually made these recipes my own. I introduced a little bit of spicy stuff because of the islands. I really love sweet. We serve a lot of this stuff on our catering menu, such as noodle dishes, saimin, and stuff like that. But if you look over our special board, we do dishes like the beast, which is a new one that we just introduced about a couple months ago. And what that is, it's a homemade beef patty with combo with Kalua pig, 2 eggs, sauteed onions and mushrooms, but instead of gravy, we actually pour it over. It's topped with our homemade island-style chili with Spam inside. Another one is our Japa dog, which is a Japanese-style hot dog with teriyaki, spiced mayo, and nori and roasted onions. We also do omelets. We serve breakfast. That's pretty well why I started this business. I wanted to offer value so that you would actually, instead of us picking the stuff, you would actually build it for you and it would make it accordingly. Everything's cooked to order. So we actually just opened this new location in Chula Vista. We opened in March. Our hours of operation are from Tuesday through Sunday, closed Monday. We are at the other location in Kearney Mesa. We're open for Monday, but we close on Sunday. And we also do a shave ice shack called The Shack, and that's open pretty much every day for the summer. And there you can get actually pretty awesome Hawaiian style shave ice on there, authentic block style. So here at the new location in Chula Vista, we offer such flavors like mangoes, which is kind of a new thing, which is mangoes, fresh fruit, sweet condensed milk, azuki beans. So that's going to be a treat for you guys. Come on over and enjoy some authentic island style cuisine. Thanks.